Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're here today cleaning this driveway. Nothing unusual that we don't do all the time, but I'm going to kind of explain the process you're about to see. First we do is we come in and we pre-treat. The pre-treat starts killing any mold or mildew. I'm looking for the concrete to lighten up or start to turn brown. We then come in and we edge everything, blast all the dirt and everything out of the expansion joints. Then we come in and scrub with our surface scrubber. We rinse that off, and then we post-treat. So what you're seeing is the pre-treat and the post-treat. The pre-treat helps start killing mold and mildew. The post-treat goes below the surface because concrete is porous and continues. Our goal is to make everything look like that, not that. So that's what we're here today. Watch as we're going to do another section, and this section's already done, and we're just going to keep working down, and we're going to do the sidewalk. We're going to do the curb, the common sidewalk, to make sure our client has the best looking driveway in the neighborhood. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.